If we add another circle, we can use another feature to help position it accurately. By hovering over a line, or in this case a curve point, and tapping the Shift key, dimensions from that point will be displayed, meaning we can carefully control the placement of the new geometry. If we want to move a feature, such as the circle we just added, we can use Select to grab the center point and drag it to a new position. This is useful for creative work, but if accurate control is needed, it is better to use the Move tool. This tool is often used when developing 3D models, but is also useful for modifying sketches. Using the Move tool gives the option to define a dimension for the change in position. Using Control Select, we can move multiple features in this way. Bear in mind also that points and lines can be selected and moved too.